Alright, what's up amigos? How's it going? I hope you guys are doing well. Oh my god, this bike, come on man, like trying to roll over me. Okay, I just had a really positive interaction before starting the video. I pulled over to fix my camera gear and a CHP officer pulled over. He said, hey, are you okay man? I was so cool. Made my day. I'm not gonna lie. See, that's the thing, like in the biker community, as long as you're not doing crazy stuff and staying on the top of your riding skills, all geared up, you know, even officers, they treat you really nicely. They want to talk to you, and you know, they just want to have a conversation to see like if you're doing okay, if you know, if you're not doing crazy stuff. But I would say if you're trying to do crazy stuff and go really fast, you get caught, most likely you'll get a ticket. Here goes another brother. That's nice, nice Harley. I love saying hi to bikers, but most of all, I just want to start this vlog with telling you guys I'm at the canyons right now, and also I just wanted to say that there's a couple of news this week, and I apologize for not posting for the past week. It was raining, and also it was really cold, so today is a really great day to be out here in the mountains and also do like vlogging for you. So what happened was this weekend there were two big news. So I will start with what's this called, the Honda 1000 RRR the FireBlade. So this bike came out and the hype is real. Everyone is talking about it, and but the price is really high. I think it's around, please do quote on me on it, it's around 30 to 40,000 or something, but I haven't looked at the price. No, sorry, the exact price, but it's pretty high. So a couple of channels that I follow, 650B, this guy, he posted it, and he delivered it to his home. He bought it, so it looks really nice, I'm not gonna lie. But in other news, on the other hand, another news that's happening on the other hand, sorry guys, I'm in a tunnel, it feels good to be here. Another thing that's happening is Yamaha. Yesterday I was watching Moto Nosity, and he is another biker. He does vlogs and everything. He's a really good, cool guy, and I would love to ride with him one day. And he announced a video on his motor vlog that Yamaha is not going to be making the R6 anymore. That is crazy. It blows my mind, because this bike, I'm so happy that I bought it. I mean, it's been my dream bike, and most of you know, and you guys have seen my vlog. I'm so happy that I bought this bike, because they're not gonna make this bike anymore for the next upcoming year. They have discontinued. That's the word on the internet, and that's what Moto Nosity said as well. I was trying to look into Yamaha, trying to Google into their Instagram yesterday, but I didn't see anything. Maybe I should look into their website. But yeah, so they are not going to be making the legendary, in my opinion, the 600, the best 600 on the planet. Sorry, it's coming from a Yamaha fanboy. You know, are you kidding me? Like, they're not gonna make that anymore. But check this view, guys. Check this view. This is the California view. They're not gonna make that anymore. That is absolutely crazy. Like, it's hard for me to believe it, but at the same time, the word is, that's what Moto Nosity was saying, that sorry, I missed the gear. Moto Nosity was saying that what's this called, people are addicted to buying the leader bikes, like the 1000cc Yamaha R1s and CBR 1000s. That is absolutely crazy. I mean, honestly, if you want more power and all this handling stuff, I mean, kudos to you, but in my personal opinion, the 600 is enough power to go around town, go fast, and all these things that bikers do. So that was the word on that end. But I don't know, man. Like I'm just like lots of words on that part. But so too good to you. But oh, another thing, they were saying that they are going to be making the R6, but track version. I mean, I love street riding, and yeah, it can be a little bit dangerous. But maybe I'll obviously gonna take my bike to track one day. But I'm still getting to know my bike. But yeah, so the R6 is everywhere you go. Right now I was at the gas station just getting a drink. This guy's like, oh, is this a R1 or R6? He's like, it has less than 3,000 miles on it, right? I was like, yeah, I do. He's like, yeah, you can't even tell if it's an R1 or R6. And I was like, yeah, you know, I changed the looks of this bike. I tried the exhaust and the windshield. See, even he said it, that he bought a Honda 1000, but he loves the look of the R6. Like I'm telling you guys, this bike looks like a $15,000-$16,000 bike, and it's not even that. So yeah, that's what's happening. It is a little bit of sad news on the biker community, but to be honest with you, BMW is stepping up their game. Honda is like stepping up. Yamaha is being good. I mean, maybe they're gonna make a little bit more changes and stuff. But honestly, man, like this bike, I personally think, like, to get comfortable on the streets, to ride in the streets, and you know, just normal riding, it's a great bike. Obviously you have to respect it, because on the A mode, oh my gosh, it's like the torque kicks in, like the bike just wants to go and go and go. And I always try my best to be very careful, because this thing is addicting. It just wants to just jump. It's like wants to get unleashed. It's like a beast trying to get unleashed. That's the best way to put it out for you guys. But yeah, oh, there's a few other bikers. So yeah, that's what's happening on that end. But other than that, fall is here, winter is here. It is going to rain again, I believe, in December. Sorry guys, I'm just new to these twisties. I believe it's going to rain again. Oh my god, it's so beautiful here. It's gonna rain again. And also another thing is, in December I'm going into vacation, so hopefully I'll try to see if I can motovlog for you guys, or because I'm trying to go to you know, just take some time off and go for a vacation. I mean, I'm going to vacation, go travel somewhere, but who knows, we will see. But yeah, it's a beautiful day. And yeah, those are the news. Other than that, I just wanted to know if you guys have any thoughts on what do you think, or what your opinion is on the 600, on the Yamaha 600. Are you disappointed, or do you think it should not happen, or do you think Yamaha is gonna might come up with R7? There is a chance. I mean, you never know, like the way the technology is going. Like Jeep Wranglers, if you're into cars and stuff, they put the 392 Hemi V8 in a Jeep Wrangler now, and that's producing almost like 475 or 80 horsepower in a Jeep Wrangler. So yeah, that's what's happening on that end. But yeah, you know, and just do your part, and do your research, and see what you come up with about the R6s. Is it true, or it's just like Yamaha's trying to scare us? Another thing I was gonna say, if you have been waiting on getting the Yamaha R6, this is the time to get it, because next year, if this is 100% true, the Yamaha value, the R6 is gonna go up, and you're not gonna be able to obtain it. I mean, you're gonna be able to obtain it. What I'm trying to say is to purchase it, but it's gonna be very expensive. The dealers, I don't know if they're gonna jack up their prices. But yeah, so I highly suggest, if you are going to, or if you're in the market, or you've been saving for a long time, I'll pull the trigger and I'll buy this motorcycle. Because later on, let's just say if you're struggling, you can't make it, you can always sell it. because the Yamaha has been here for a long time, and a lot of people love it. I personally love it, and I don't think I'm going to be able to, I'm not going to be selling it anytime soon. Let's see if we find parking up there. Oh, that's the R1. So yeah, if you like it, you know, and go for it. And oh, what's going on in here? Yeah, so I'm all the way on top. I'm gonna try to pull over, have a conversation with you guys, and try to see what we can do. Sorry, it's so busy here today. There's a lot of people coming in here. I'm gonna try to pull over somewhere. It's beautiful here, I swear. It's so peaceful. We are officially going into restrictions, so we're not going to be going out. We can't go out from 5 a.m. to 10 p.m. now because of this entire pandemic that's been going on. But I'm going to try to see if I can pull over on the side. That's where I stop sometimes. Yeah, that's where I'm going to go. I know this guy's going to be like, what is this idiot doing? Okay, I'm gonna try to pull over here. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna try to park here for a second, let you guys enjoy the view. Check this out, guys. It's beautiful. It's so peaceful here. Yeah, I'm gonna try to go walk up there too. But yeah, I know it's not a good parking here, but I'm gonna change the parking as soon as I finish the video with you guys. But yeah, that's what I wanted to talk to you guys. Let me know your opinion. Let me know what you think. And as far as this entire thing goes, about the 600s, discontinuing of the production of the 600s, you know, there's a chance that they might come back next year or so, or may not. But you know, like I said, if you guys are into, you know, buying one, you should definitely go for it. You should definitely buy it. And let me know, comment below and let me know, what do you think? Do you think it's time to let go of the 600? It's time for something else, like a 750? Who knows? Maybe Yamaha will come up with 750. But yeah, so I mean, I'm really happy that I bought this motorcycle. It's been my dream bike, and most of you know in my videos, I really wanted it, and I bought it and I have it. So yeah, thank you very much for watching my videos. Please give this video a like, comment below, share with your friends. And I want to thank all of the new subscribers this week that have been subscribing to my channel. We are growing, and I can't wait to put more content for you guys out there. Again, thank you very much from the bottom of my heart. And I'll be definitely doing some cinematic videos, and also some like flybys. It's just that I'm busy, like my buddy, he's busy too, so he can't really record me. I have another camera, but I'll be definitely doing that in the future. And I just want to thank you guys for commenting, liking, and watching my content. I look forward to talking to you guys soon, and more videos as well. And have a great one. Take care, stay safe, and ride safe out there. I'll talk to you guys soon. Take care. Peace.